In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge transactions in Koinly. So I have added in some demo transactions over here just to show you how to do this. These aren't real, I've just put them so I can show you for this tutorial. So you have to go to the transaction tab up top. You can see here I have two of them which are basically duplicated, but of course if they're not duplicated, you can have like multiple different ones over here. You can just go and select the ones, they must be close enough to you for you to be able to do that. And whenever you select them with these check marks, you can do as many as you want. Click on the merge button at the bottom, and there we go, it says transactions have been merged. If the dates are too far apart, so for example here we have January 28th and then February 18th, I can go ahead and check these two, click on merge. It's not going to let me because the dates are too far apart. So to be able to merge them, they must be kind of close, and then whenever they are, of course you'll be able to merge these transactions like I showed you a few seconds ago. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.